Hi buds, we're back. Subscribe, share, like, comment, all that good stuff. We're about ready to line up and do the legends at the National Speedway. It's 40 laps and it'll be hectic as normal, no doubt. Don't know why I come on here to try to save my licence, but hey ho! What we've got to do is stay in position. Sorry, rub my nose now. Yeah, so subscribe, like, comment, do all that good stuff. 58% left of my battery, fingers crossed. Pit lane's closed, hopefully we won't be going in it, because if you're in it you ain't gonna win it, and winning it is, well, I don't know, actually I've got as good a chance as anybody, I suppose. I haven't had any sleep since yesterday morning though, that won't help. So that's relative, if you can see that when it's being recorded. Below me is people behind, above me are people in front.
Look, drivers.
Yeah, you too, bud, and everybody else.
You too, man.
P8, 40 laps. Let's make them count.
Let's hope we have a kind of a clean race. My last one wasn't so great.
The laugh said it everything.
In the outside column.
I had one last night where I actually got 3 cars in the pace lap, so.
Oh, that's good.
Well, you have me beat that.
One more lap.
We're going green next time, bye. Get ready. Alright, man.
Get ready.
Safe cars
Go,
in.
go, go.
Green flag, green flag. Inside.
Clear
All
inside.
clear, all clear. Inside.
Clear.
There's
low,
one
clear
gone.
low.
This lot aren't crashing, what's going on? There's still time.
The leader has just done a 15.19. That was a 15.57. The guy ahead has just done a 15.24. New fastest lap for Bradshaw, 15.03.
Well, I'm in the same place where I started.
Fastest lap for Bradshaw, 15.01. Your lap time was at 15.61, 8th place. The gap behind is now 0.59. New fastest lap for Bradshaw, 15.00.
This car's craply slow.
Have a slow car on the bottom.
P7, that's your fastest lap today.
Got one inside. Still
Hold your
there?
line.
Hold your line.
P8.
Hold your line.
Stay high.
You're
Clear low,
inside.
clear low. Inside.
Clear
Clear low, clear low. Inside.
Still
Stay
there.
high.
Clear low.
All clear, all clear. Inside.
Hold
Stay
your line.
high.
Clear
Slow
low.
down low. All clear, all clear.
Carlo.
Got one inside. Still there? Hold your line.
Inside
Clear low, clear low.
P9.
He's struggling, so we'll have him.
That was a 15.87. That's a new fastest lap for Bradshaw, 14.91.
Come on, Paul.
Fastest lap for Bradshaw, 14.90.
Oh, I've lost the place. Come on, Paul.
Your last lap time was at 15.71. Your lap time was 15.40, P9. The gap in front is now 1.08. That lap time was 15.74.
Car
Inside.
Hold
Stay
your line.
high.
You're
Clear low,
inside.
clear low. Alright man, 20 to go.
Alright,
Go get
that's
him.
half distance. Fuel levels are fine. The gap behind is now 0.73. Your last lap time was at 15.76. That lap was at 15.72.
Gosh, search your arms. Ah, right, he's doing that, is he? That's handy to know. You don't get done for it.
That lap was at 15.71. That lap time was 16.27.
We've got Carlo
Inside.
inside. Clear
All
low.
clear,
You've got
all clear.
Carlo.
You got one inside.
Hold your
Stay
line.
high.
Hold your line.
Stay high.
Clear low.
Clear low,
Car
clear low.
inside.
Inside.
Inside
All
clear.
clear, all clear.
Carlo.
Inside.
Still
Stay
there.
high.
Still there. Clear
Clear
low.
low, clear low.
They're the leaders.
Your lap time was 17.03. The gap ahead is now 0.80. That was at 16.56.
Carlo.
You got one inside.
You're clear
All
inside.
clear, all clear.
just done a 16.55.
Got one inside.
Hold
Say
your line.
hi. There's the car on the low side.
You're clear
All
inside.
clear, all clear.
My tyres are shot.
10 to go.
That last lap was at
I ain't set this car up properly at all.
The gap in front has increased to 2.8.
Which is like a lap in this place.
That was at 16.00.
Inside.
Still
Say
there.
hi.
The gap in
All
front
clear,
is
all
increasing.
clear.
It's now
Clear inside.
5 to go at the line. Alright, man. 2 to go.
God, I'm suffering with this.
That lap was at 16.6.
But we haven't hit out.
White flag. 1 more left to go.
I don't know if people are getting ready to pass each other, I don't know.
One more lap to go. You've just done a 16.55. Come on, Paul. Push, push, push. We can get this guy.
Oh, bollocks.
P9. There we go. It's over. Bring it back round.
There's the flag, man. It's over.
Good race. Thanks for keeping it clean, guys.
There you go, man. Good job, driver.
Yeah, I hope I didn't get in anybody's way too much. But I did try to keep out your way.
Alright, man. That's it. The race is over.
Then, of course, the 10's got to be a jackass.